Welcome to Verbalists' Fun-tastic Stories podcast. In today's episode we talk about
witnessing Easter in Italy through the heart and soul of Italians is a deeply moving experience that reminds us all of the grace we have while living la dolce vita. But can your life get even sweeter? Verbalists believe it can, and they even have a recipe for you. Festivities across Italy typically begin on Good Friday with church service attendance and continue through Easter Monday, or Pasqua. A popular Italian proverb dictates, "Spend Christmas with your family, and Easter with whomever you like." While many continue to spend Easter with their family, more and more extend the celebrations to friends. The most celebrated holiday in Italy, after Christmas, of course, is Pasqua, the Italian word for Easter. The etymological roots of this word are found in the Greek Pascha and Hebrew Pesach, which mean Passover. Each region, commune and village in Italy has its own traditions to commemorate the death and resurrection of the Christ. In the Eternal City of Rome, just outside the Colosseum, many watch and participate as the Pope leads a procession through the 14 stages of the Passion on Good Friday, reading meditations along the way. Imagine narrow, cobblestone streets filled with locals donned in period costumes, carrying life-sized replicas of the Madonna and the Christ. See the tears, hear the shouts and sway of voices raised in song as you walk the reconstructed Via Crucis. Enter a home and inhale the smells of minestra maritata, roasted lamb and artichokes, and the seductive dove-shaped colomba di Pasqua. Sit. Eat. You are among friends and family. Welcome to Easter in Italy. This is Pasqua. Witnessing Pasqua in Italy through the heart and soul of Italians is a deeply moving experience that reminds us all of the grace we have while living la dolce vita. But can your life get even sweeter? The Verbalists Language Network thinks it can if we add to it some language travel excitement. That language network has prepared for you a set of unique, high-quality Italian language courses in Rome that will give you the opportunity to learn and improve Italian in a creative and stimulating way, while immersing in the Italian art and culture. Visit the language education portal verbalistseducation.com and experience a different, sweeter way of learning languages. Happy Easter!
Thank you for listening to Verbalists' Funtastic Podcast, the home of interesting and fun stories. Follow Verbalists on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to catch more. We also invite you to visit our website verbalistseducation.com to explore the world of education, study abroad, and travel. Thanks again, we'll see you next time. Until then, stay fantastically fun.